You've heard of unconditional love, but have you heard of the secret to unconditional happiness and allowing more into your life? More wealth, more success, and more love. More freedom in your life right now. Welcome to the Happy Bar with Israel Savage. Our greater self, I want to say programs, places, our greater self places the direction in which we could go. But so does our physical self. So do our parents. So do our neighbors. So does our best friend. They also throw out beacons that we can either follow or not follow. There's only one path that's going to lead us to fulfillment, to enrichment, to satisfaction, and that's following the guidance from our greater self. And that comes through emotion. When we follow these other signals that we're receiving from other people or our perceptions of other people, then we're a homing pigeon that gets way off course. It never makes it home.
Well, it struck me when you were talking about, the way somebody sees you informing the way you behave, that kind of endowing quality, that might be a useful kind of way to, when you were talking about your daughter trying to ease up on herself by thinking of others in kinder ways. It just, my mind went to a link that may be helpful for me to, endow other people kindly or see the good things in them as a way to coach myself.
Well, absolutely. And when you become more conscious of that, then as a parent, that's exactly what I could do with my daughter, is start to find those moments. It has to be authentic, because the universe and kids and people and dogs and cats listen to what you mean, not what you say. And so if you say, oh, you're so,
right.
Oh, you're so generous.
Yeah.
And you don't mean it.
Feel it. Yeah.
Right? So the emotion is the important thing, but surely in the moments that are the most that way, whatever behavior that we want to shape into being in other people and ourselves, then you just start to focus your attention a little more on those moments that are closer and closer to the behavior that you're looking for or that you'd like to see. And so absolutely, that is something that you can do. And it's the same as pre-paving. Try it sometime. It's just amazing how the universe rises to meet your expectation, and so do people. Sometimes, if there is a topic that I feel might be challenging for a specific person, then I'll pre-pave a little and before I say it, and I'll say, you're going to completely understand this because this is right up your alley. This is just going to make all the difference for you. And then you've got this person who cracks themselves open just a little bit. Ooh, this is going to make all the difference for me. Oh, I want to hear this. And they're a little more receptive in a way that they might not have been if you didn't pre-pave just a little bit. And so there's so much power in expectation, and there's so much power in allowing, and there's so much power in focus. And there's so much power in power. There's so much power in so many things that we could start to feel overwhelmed. And so again, the only thing you have to do is just look for the better and better feeling thought in this moment. And then everything else takes care of itself. And that I can do. Maybe I can't, always be as focused as I like, or as powerful, or as confident as this or this. But in this moment, if I've got two thoughts, I can choose the one that's better feeling. I could do that. And if I feel I can't, then I can go take a nap and start again. And right? And it truly is that simple. If you liked what you just heard, then take inspired action now. That's right, act while you are feeling good. And build on your momentum. Schedule your free discovery call with me at INstudios-nyc.com/happybar.